In a world where winter never ended, people forgot what warmth felt like.
No laughter, no life, only silence.
Among them was Aarav, a boy who had never seen spring.
Will it ever end?
One day, something changed. He saw something beneath the snow.
What is this?
And then he played.
The world paused.
And something impossible began. As if the earth was waking up. No, this can't be real.
And then, color returned.
With every note, life returned. The earth remembered. And the sky began to breathe.
Is this real?
The village felt something again.
I thought we'd never see this again.
The village remembered how to feel.
But the magic was never in the flute.
It was? Me? Me?
It was hope. A small hope that dared to sing. When the world had gone silent,